What's up everyone? In this video I will share with you the best Fibonacci settings, so if you're interested, let's hop right into it. Okay guys, let's get straight into the point. So I'm gonna just place the fib right here on this blank chart and I will go right into the settings, because in this video it's going to be a pretty short one. I'm going to show you exactly the settings that I like to use and explain what every single level means. All right, so we have the 0 level, color coded black, 0.35 black, 0.618 orange, 1 black, minus 0.618 green, 0.5 black, 0.764 orange, 0.88 red. Okay, these are all the settings. Make a screenshot if you want to and go ahead and input them correctly. After that, just click OK and you will have the fib retracement like this. Okay, that's how you will have it on your chart. Okay, so now what are these levels for? What do they help us with? Okay, so we have the 100 level, which will be placed at the most recent higher low if we are in an uptrend, or lower high if we are in a downtrend. We have the 0 level that will be placed at the newly created lower low if we are heading down, okay, or a higher high if we are heading up. Okay, so in this scenario, price is going to look something like this: lower low, we create a new lower high, we create a new lower low, and now the price is retracing. Okay, so this is the lower high, the most recent lower high, and the newly created lower low. It's the exact same thing for higher lows and higher highs, the opposite, because that's a bullish trend and this is a bearish trend. Okay, so that's what the 100 and the 0 levels are for. Now, also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. The 50 and 35 level are usually the most basic retracement levels where price likes to go before heading to the downside even further. Okay, price can literally do something like this: go towards the 50 and then go down, create a new lower low, or go right into the 35 and then from the 35 create a new lower low. Okay, but we don't necessarily care about these levels. Okay, that's why I have them color coded black. We just like to see what the price does. That's why we have them here. Okay, now we get into the important part. Okay, the 618 and the 76.4 are the most important levels in our fib retracement, Why? Because these are the levels where we like to place our orders. Okay, you see, this is what I like to call the golden zone or the fire zone, and the range between the 618 and the 76.4 is where I like to look for entries. Okay, because this, as you guys may know, is basically a discounted price, because the market is retracing before doing another leg down or up if it's a uptrend. Okay, so here is what I like to get in. And now you might ask, well, what's with the 88.00 level? This level, I like to use this level sometimes to place my stop loss. You see, if I get a entry confirmation to get into a sell around the top of the golden zone, which would be around here, I like to place my stop loss at the 88.0 level. Okay, and now you might ask, well, what's with the minus 61.8 level? That's my take profit level. That's exactly why I have it in green. Okay, red for stop loss, green for take profit. Okay, so usually the minus 618 will be my last take profit target. my first target will be the 0 level. The 0 level will be the first level that the price has to reach for me to either move my stop loss to break even or close half of the position in profit, okay, and then move my stop loss at break even and let it ride till the minus 618. So these are basically the best settings for the fib retracement. Very easy to understand. I hope everyone understood everything that I had to say. Also, I would recommend to not go ahead and trade the fib blindly, only placing it from the lower highs to the lower lows and expect it every single time to reject from these levels and you have a nice 9R on every single trade, because trust me, that won't happen. The way I like to trade a fib is by using it with a bunch of other confluences, okay? I don't like to use the fib on itself. So if you're interested to see that, to see how I like to trade with the fib, I will pop a video on the screen right now where I share how I like to trade with the fib retracement. You guys can go ahead and watch that video if you like to and if you want to, okay? That being said, this was pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions regarding the settings, regarding anything, please make sure to drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. And as always, make sure to stay tuned. Click that subscribe button, that like button. If you like the video, make sure to share it as well. And I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.